Guys, good evening from Unity Farm. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm going to show you the outdoor facilities down at Unity for the kids. All the splashes, all the slides up there, Christian. That's a disco slide, all lights up at night. Slides down here, all these lovely facilities. Come and have a look, guys. This is open in a couple of weeks, so we're doing work on it, so it's not as clean as it should be, so don't slag me off in my video, because we're working on it, yeah? Come and have a look, guys. I've done another video on my other channel as well. Make sure you're on my 2 TikToks, because I've done one of the drone footage of the outside of it, and I've taken the drone in the swimming pool for the first time. But look at this for the kids, guys. All this fills up with water and it bounces on their head and everything, yeah? Absolutely amazing. Absolutely stunning. Come and have a look down here, Christian. So the outdoor slides come into this big water pit here, yeah? Which will be open now in the next couple of weeks, guys. There's going to be a heat wave next week, so make sure you come down, guys, and have a look round, yeah? You're more than welcome. It's open to the public, by the way, Christian. Look at this, mate. Look at this facility. Look at this. This is open on the weekend and in the week. Lovely. What a fantastic facility, guys. Try and come down. Hey, thanks for watching. Guys, it's the first time ever down in Unity Beach, yeah? We're putting some drone footage online of the swimming pool, yeah? Unity Beach swimming pool. We just want to share it with you and all our facilities, guys. Open 9:30 in the morning, closes at 5, yeah? They do swimming lessons. Come in and ask the guys for anything you want to know, any information, they'll help you. But come with me, Christian. Look at it. Beautiful. It's like an Olympic-sized swimming pool, Christian. Yeah, I'm not allowed in there because they said I might cause a tsunami, was it? I think? Tidal wave. Yeah, but look, it's beautiful. And at the top of here, we've got a kids' pool as well, okay? Come and have a look. We've got a disco slide that lights up at night as well. We've got everything here, guys. It's absolutely fantastic. Try and come down, and you can use it. The public can use this as well. It's open to the public. We'd love to see you down there. We've got the slides, okay? We're closed at the minute, that's why we're videoing you, okay? Here's all the slides. Kiddies pool. It's the first time we've done a video in the actual swimming pool, but it's absolutely stunning, isn't it? Do you like it? What a fantastic facility. It's the Burnham-on-Sea Swimming Club. 50 years, guys, 50 years. Beautiful. I'm going to show you the indoor play area as well, and I'm going to show you the outdoor in a different video, yeah, because I'll take you outside and back in and show you all the kiddies facilities, pools outside. Listen, guys, thanks for watching. Have another look, and then make sure you follow in, yeah? Fantastic facility, guys. All right, mate? Thanks, mate. Thanks, Christian. Thank you. Guys, I'm down here at Unity Splash Zone, yeah? I'm showing you around the facilities down Unity Beach, yeah? Look at this indoor pool for the kiddies. Look at all these fantastic facilities. I'm going to walk you through the outdoor bit as well, okay? Okay? Show them, look at that, Christian. Watch you don't fall in. Nearly fell in. And look, if you look through there, you'll see we've got a facility for making food, coffees, afternoon snacks, got everything down here. And we've got the soft play as well. Look at that facility. Isn't that amazing? Come on, guys. Oh, doesn't this door open?
Yeah, we've got a drone just there, but you can't walk into it.
Yeah, but it doesn't open, yeah. Yeah, we're doing the drone footage, guys. We're doing the drone today. You might need to put it down and take it in. So there's the slides, Christian. Yeah. This is the outdoor bit, yeah. This is all the outdoor bit. This will be open now in the next 2 weeks, yeah. We'll have all the tables and chairs out here. There's a heat wave coming, by the way, so it's going to be absolutely boiling. Absolutely gorgeous. Come and have a look, guys. Have a look at that. You prefer to watch that than watch me. But listen, guys, come down to Unity Beach. There's loads happening with the new Wonky Donkey. We've got to get some videos of the Wonky Donkey, by the way. Okay, look at this, guys. Beautiful. This is the indoor pool down here with us. Okay, got a kids pool as well. Soft play, gym, got everything here. Disco slide, guys. Baby pool. Yeah, got everything, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. Have you been in this pool? Let me know. Make sure you're following my other site as well, Nigel 1974.4. So it's at Nigel 74.4. Yeah, make sure you're following, guys. What do you think? Let me know. Loads of place changing facilities. We've got everything you can think of. Listen, guys, thanks for watching, and come down to Unity Beach when you've got time.